We're using prepared caramels. These ones are Werther's. You can use any caramels, and you're gonna have to unwrap them all. That is the hardest part. Then to prevent them from burning before they melt, add just a dab of water or a little heavy cream. Stirring constantly until they are all the way melted. This can take quite a few minutes. You're going to want to get them to a smooth, there you go, almost get the lumps out. Smooth caramel consistency. Once all the lumps are out, your caramel is ready to put on your apples. If you have a candy thermometer, you want to make sure that your temperature gets up to 244 so Fahrenheit, so that the caramel completely caramelizes. If your caramel is too soft, it means that it didn't get up to a hot enough temperature. So using a candy thermometer is really important to get to 244. While you're waiting, it's the perfect time to slice up those apples. So be sure to slice your apples about 1 inch thick. You're going to want to pat them completely dry. Wet apples, the caramel will tend to slide off. And you're going to want to put them in the refrigerator. The colder the apple, the more the caramel will tend to stick on the apple. You can use any kind of apple to make your caramel apples, but the green ones will give you a little bit more of a sweet tart combination, sweet from the caramel, tart from the apple. So those are usually the preferred apples to use, but you can use anything. Go ahead and put your apples on candy sticks and then start dipping them into your caramel and setting them on the parchment paper. Be sure to use parchment paper, not wax paper. Wax paper will tend to stick to the bottom of your apple. Check out our caramel recipe. We make caramel from scratch too. Oh, and don't forget, recipe files from the Rebel Canners Facebook group is now available as a book on Amazon. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Rebel Canners. We are so close to our next milestone, And I just want to thank all of you for being part of the Rebel Canners group. Like, subscribe, and as always, make sure your notification bell is rung. You don't want to miss another episode. Exciting things to come this winter.